Hi Sarah, how are you today? I'm good, Aisha. The weather is lovely, isn't it? Absolutely. Let's go to the park. I want to enjoy the sunshine. Great idea. We can have a picnic there. What should we bring? Sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade. Oh, and don't forget the blanket. Perfect. I'll grab my sunglasses too. Look, there's a soccer game happening. Let's watch. Sure, I love soccer. Who's playing? It's the red team versus the blue team. Go! Red team, they are winning. Look at that goal. The crowd is cheering. I wish I could play like that. You can. Let's join the next game. Really? Okay. Let's do it. We'll have so much fun, and maybe we'll make new friends. Agreed. Life is better with friends. Definitely. Let's enjoy the day.
Dialogue number 2. Going to the beach.
Hey, Sarah, how is it going? Hi, Aisha. I'm doing well. The sun is shining, and I'm in a great mood. Perfect. Let's head to the beach. I've been craving so salty air. Agree. We can build it sandcastles and swim in the ocean. Awesome! What should we pack? Sunscreen, towels, and a beach umbrella. Definitely. And don't forget our sunglasses and hats. Look, there's a beach volleyball game. Shall we join? Sounds fun. I'm terrible at volleyball, but I'll give it a shot. No worries. It's all about having fun. Plus, we'll get some exercise. True. Ooh. And they're an ice cream truck. Let's treat ourselves. Yes, I will have a scoop of chocolate, and you can get strawberry. The best part of summer is ice cream by the beach. Agree. So, Sarah, what's your favorite beach memory? Probably the time I built a massive sandcastle with my cousins. Nice! I once found a seashell that looked like a miniature unicorn horn. That's magical. I love how the beach holds so many surprises. Speaking of surprises, look at those dolphins jumping in the distance. Wow! Nature never fails to amaze me. Let's take a photo to remember this day forever. Good idea. Say cheese. Excuse me, Sarah. Can you tell me how to get to the museum? Sure. Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn left at the traffic light. Thanks. I'm terrible with directions. No worries. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical English speaking daily.